This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Google Docs in Chrome or Chrome OS because those platforms offer the most consistent dark options. You then open any document and go straight to View, or to Settings if View isn't available. Choose Appearance and select Dark Mode or a Dark Theme option. This changes the UI immediately and can also affect the page background. Once done, pause to check that the toolbar and menus have shifted to darker colors so you know the setting applied. Next, you deal with the document page itself, which sometimes remains white even with UI dark mode. Go to File, then Page Setup, and set the page color to black or a very dark gray. This makes the page background dark for printing preview and on-screen. Then change your text color to white or a high contrast color so content remains readable. If the page color option is unavailable, make sure to enable system-wide dark mode or install a reputable dark theme extension to force page to finish. Verify print layout so the dark page shows consistently on screen and in previews. Some views hide background colors, so toggle that to confirm. If your dark background doesn't persist, clear your browser cache and restart Chrome or toggle dark mode off and on again. This resolves most theme glitches. If an extension is interfering, disable other extensions or test in an incognito window. Make sure to save page setup as default.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.